Hey there! Thank you for watching my channel. Today I want to show you a new pattern, and this one is a zigzag chain crochet stitch. And you can see it looks like chains that are zigzagging through each other. And there's no right or wrong side, so both sides look the same. And it's just a one row repeat. So I've got some yarn, and for this yarn I use a 4mm hook. First we're making a slip knot. And this pattern calls for multiples of 4. So I'm gonna chain multiples of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I've got this little swatch over here. So we're going to skip the first 3 chains, and in the next chain we'll make a double crochet, and in that same stitch we made a double crochet, we're going to make a single crochet. Now chain 3 and then skip 3 chains, so 1, 2, 3, and then next make a double crochet, and in that same stitch make a single crochet. And repeat this for the rest of this row. So chain 3, skip 3 stitches, and the next one make a double crochet and make a single crochet in that same stitch. Okay, so chain 3, and I've got 4 stitches left now. So skip 3 stitches, and in the last one make a double crochet. And in that same stitch make a single crochet. So this is how row 1 looks like. Now for row 2, chain 3 and turn your work. And this chain 3 is a double crochet on top of that single crochet over here. So we're going to skip that first stitch, and then in a double crochet of the previous row we are making a double crochet. And in that same stitch we are making a single crochet. Now chain 3 and continue this for the rest of this row. You're going to skip that chain 3 of the previous row. I'm going to skip that single crochet, and in the double crochet we are making a double crochet and 1 single crochet. Chain 3, skip the chain 3 of the previous row, skip that single crochet, and in the top of that double crochet make a double crochet and also make a single crochet in that same stitch. Chain 3, skip that chain 3 and single crochet, and on top of that double crochet make a double crochet and a single crochet. And you're not doing anything with the chain 3, you skipped over here. So this is just you have to repeat row 2, so I'm going to show you one more time. This is all you have to do for this pattern. Chain 3, turn your work, skip that first stitch, that single crochet of the previous row, and on top of the double crochet you'll make a double crochet and a single crochet. So you only work in the double crochets. Chain 3, find the next double crochet, and in the double crochet make a double crochet and a single crochet. Chain 3, skip the chain 3 and the single crochet, and in a double crochet make a double crochet and a single crochet. Oh, I need some yarn. Chain 3, and I have 1 more double crochet left, so on top of that double crochet make a double crochet and a single crochet. So that's all there is to the zigzag chains crochet stitch. And well, I hope you like it, and I'm curious if you're gonna make something with this pattern. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, put on the notifications so you get a message when I uploaded a new video. And for now, I just wish you happy crocheting. Bye bye.